If you struggle to make your small home feel stylish, here's how mid-century design works. If you struggle to style your small home, you're not alone. It's easy for a compact space to feel either too cluttered or too plain, making it hard to find the right balance. That's exactly what we're doing today. In this series, we're here to make sure it gets the right layout, materials, and decor to bring it to a functional and cozy look. Today, we're using Jude's Space, a 13 square meter space that needs a mid-century modern style transformation. This is the 31st design in our 100 Interiors Challenge. He wants a redesign of his living area, dining, and kitchen area. This space is currently cluttered and lacks functionality, but with the right layout, textures, and color palette, we can transform it into a warm and mid-century modern style home. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. Let's make this living area work for you. Right now, it's 4 by 4 meters, and the biggest challenge is making it functional without feeling cramped. But there are a few things that aren't quite working. The TV wall placement is uncertain, so that's something you'll need to change. She also wants a working area, but right now, the setup feels unbalanced and messy. So, we're going to organize it properly and make sure everything flows together. The flooring doesn't match the mid-century style, so you can change it to something that fits better. A warm wood herringbone pattern. It adds elegance, makes the space feel cozier, but your current wall color didn't match with it. So a warm grayish green will do the trick. It's subtle, stylish, and captures the mid-century modern feel perfectly. Now, let's talk about your ceiling. Right now, it's just plain. So a tray ceiling adds depth, makes the space feel more balanced, adds elegance and a sense of openness. Now your seating area. You can place an L-shaped sectional sofa upholstered in emerald green fabric. This gives you a sleek, sophisticated seating option without overwhelming the space. But it's not enough. Adding colored and textured pillows. These pillows not only balance the overall look, but also harmonize with the sofa. Next, your coffee table, a round wooden top with slim black metal legs, works perfectly. And to ground the whole space, a textured rug with a bold geometric pattern will tie the sofa, coffee table, and flooring together. This combination isn't just about aesthetics, it makes your space feel more inviting. The wall decor? Right now, it doesn't fully match the mid-century modern aesthetic, so you can add an artwork that enhances the space. Now, for general lighting. A Sputnik chandelier with exposed glow bulbs in an asymmetrical design is a solid choice. It gives your space that retro sophistication. But lighting needs layers. That's why pin lights and LED strip lighting under the tray ceiling make such a difference. It creates depth, highlights key areas, and just makes everything feel well put together. Right now, your curtain position is fine, but there's a way to make it even better. A ceiling-mounted placement is the move. It controls sunlight, reduces heat, and instantly makes your space feel more welcoming. And that's the new living area. Brighter, better organized, and properly lit without making it feel crowded. What do you think of Jude's living area? Moving on to your TV wall. Right now, your TV wall looks cluttered and lacks warmth. It's functional, but it doesn't feel intentional. So here's how you fix it. A mix of wood, marble, and matte white finishes instantly elevates the space. Up top, a matte white storage cabinet with handleless doors keeps things sleek. Open shelving? A must. It makes the space feel lighter while giving you a spot for books and decor without overwhelming it. The lower section is all about hidden storage, keeping essentials organized without sacrificing style. A floating shelf above the TV. A simple stack of books adds an effortless touch. To the right, a ceramic vase with dried plants, a metallic globe, and a sculptural vase bring contrast and texture. These details, they make everything feel intentional. Now, let's make it even better. A built-in workspace blends right in, giving you a functional spot for books, a lamp, or a small vase. Whether for work or study, everything stays within reach. And lighting? It's key. Soft LED strip lights highlight the decor while enhancing the warmth of the wood. Get that right, and the space feels polished, inviting, and complete. That's how you take a basic TV wall and turn it into something modern, functional, and effortlessly stylish. Moving on to your dining area, let's fix this space. But first, let's break it down. Your dining area measures 3.2 by 3.8 meters, and since it's right next to the kitchen, you need to make sure it feels open, not cramped. Right now, the setup lacks style, but here's how you can change that. First, let's talk about the dining table. A marble top with a black metal base? That's a solid choice. It keeps things modern and sleek without being overwhelming. Then, for the chairs, go for a mix of green, white, synthetic leather, and black metal frame. The combination adds just enough contrast while keeping the look clean and sophisticated. Now, let's ground the space. A textured brown rug helps define the dining area and adds warmth against the flooring. It's a simple fix, but it makes a big difference in making the space feel more put together. Then, let's style the table. You don't need to overthink this. Just a bouquet of flowers, a bowl of fruit, and a few well-placed plates and placemats. These details make the setup feel intentional without making it look cluttered. The background matters too. A black marble accent wall with artwork instantly adds depth and elegance. And if you want to elevate it even more, adding decorative molding and a mirror helps open up the space and make it feel bigger. Now, let's talk about lighting. A well-designed dining space needs proper lighting, and a sculptural chandelier does the job. It's modern, dynamic, and adds just the right amount of looks without overpowering the room. So, with all these small but impactful changes, your dining area isn't just functional, it's elevated, stylish, and effortlessly welcoming. Let's move on to the last area, the kitchen. This kitchen has a lot of potential, but it looks cluttered and lacks organization. Here's how we can make it styled and functional. Now, let's complete the look. The upper kitchen cabinets mix closed storage and shelving. The closed cabinets, finished in a light gray, give your kitchen a sleek, minimalist look. But on the left side, the shelves with the layers create a nice contrast, making it easy to grab everyday items. Then, there's your L-shaped countertop, which gives you plenty of space for cooking and meal prep. You can go for a white marble or quartz surface with subtle gray veining to add a refined touch. For storage, you have a mix of base cabinets and integrated drawers, so everything stays organized without sacrificing style. Next, your backsplash is where things get interesting. A terrazzo-style surface adds texture and personality, making the space feel both playful and elegant. To soften the look, you can place ceramic pots on the shelf and let a trailing plant cascade down, bringing in a fresh, natural element. On your countertop, a wooden cutting board adds warmth, while a ceramic utensil holder keeps your knives and cooking tools within reach. Then, small white ceramic bowls and a neutral-colored dish towel draped over the counter make your kitchen feel effortlessly put together. For the shelves, you can add a few decor pieces to keep things visually balanced. A stainless steel hanging rod helps store essentials, while a wooden plate stand neatly holds a few white plates. Then, an arrangement of ceramic vases in neutral tones adds a decorative yet functional touch. To control sunlight and keep your privacy, your window has horizontal blinds, so you can easily adjust the lighting to fit your needs. For a modern and cozy ambiance, LED strip lighting under the cabinets casts a soft glow, making the backsplash pop. Then, your three-tiered shelves can be illuminated with integrated LED strips and pin lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that ties both your kitchen and dining area together. And that's the updated mid-century modern kitchen. Warmer, more organized, and way more functional. What do you think of this transformation? Let's take a full tour of the complete makeover. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And if you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.